Looking for a powerful, cordless leaf blower that can handle serious yard work with ease? The EGO Power LB7654 is one of the most powerful handheld blowers in its class, built to replace gas without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. This blower delivers an impressive 765 CFM airflow and up to 200 miles per hour airspeed, making it strong enough to clear wet leaves, debris, and even small rocks with ease. Whether you're cleaning your driveway, lawn, or patio, it gets the job done fast. The high-efficiency brushless motor ensures longer runtime, less vibration, and improved durability. You also get a variable speed dial, 260 to 580 CFM, plus a turbo mode, so you can switch between light cleanup and maximum power instantly. Battery performance is another big highlight. The included 5.0-hour battery can deliver up to around 90 minutes of runtime on lower settings, while the bonus 2.5-hour battery gives you extra flexibility for extended jobs or quick swaps. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and well-balanced, making it comfortable for longer use. It's also weather-resistant, so you can work in different outdoor conditions without worry. Real-world feedback shows it's extremely effective for yard cleanup, though like most high-power blowers, turbo mode drains the battery quickly, best used in short bursts for heavy debris. If you want a cordless blower that delivers near-gas level performance, strong airflow, and reliable battery power, the EGO Power LB7654 is an outstanding choice for homeowners and serious yard work alike. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your lawn care with powerful, cordless performance today.